The journey of fresh watermelon juice begins in sunny farms.
These watermelons are ready for the juice factory. All right, forklift, load them up.
Freshly harvested watermelons are transported to the processing factory.
Keep them coming, let's clear this stack.
Got it, they're moving smooth.
Last few, almost done. Check for soft spots on this one.
This side looks good.
Looks solid. Approved.
Next batch.
Before processing, the watermelons are thoroughly washed. The clean watermelons are cut into pieces for juice extraction. The watermelon pieces are crushed to extract fresh juice.
Pressure is holding steady at 150 psi. Good, let's adjust the feed rate. Initiating manual override.
The fresh juice is cooled and stored to preserve its freshness.
Check temp on gauge 1.
Holding steady at 175.
Increase to 200.
Confirmed, 200.
The fresh watermelon juice is now ready for bottling. Filled bottles are packed for distribution.
Next layer's full. One more. Got it. This side's stable.
Coming over.
The fresh juice is ready to reach stores and customers.